नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर हेमंत व्यास, Associate Professor, Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. And today we are going to discuss about a topic from urinary tract diseases, and the name of topic is horseshoe kidney. Horseshoe kidney. During development, there are two mesonephric buds which appear on the side of future vertebral column, and they grow into the metanephrons. Now this mesonephric bud, they form ureter, whereas metanephron form the kidneys. So if the fusion occur at the lower pole, ओके जो दोनों किडनीज है, अगर ये दोनों किडनीज में उनके लोअर पोल में अगर फ्यूजन फॉर्म हो जाता है तो ये एक हॉर्स शू इसमें एक फॉर्म हो जाता है किडनीज का, जिसी को हम हॉर्स शू किडनी कहते हैं. सो इफ फ्यूजन ऑकर एट लोअर पोल इट रिजल्ट इन अ क्लासिकल हॉर्स शू किडनी. अब ये है कि जो किडनीज है इसमें रेयरली अपर पोल में भी कभी कभी कनेक्शन फॉर्म हो सकता है, बट दिस इज वेरी रेयर. And this is also in this case it is called as reverse horseshoe kidney. Then inferior mesenteric artery crosses the isthmus at the level of L3 and L4, hence horseshoe kidney cannot ascend, it is felt lower down in the abdomen. उसके बाद देखते हैं क्लिनिकल फीचर्स इससे रिलेटेड क्या क्या होता है. इट कैन बी असिम्टोमेटिक फॉर मेनी ईयर्स. अ पाल्पेबल मास बिलो एंड टू द राइट and to the left of umbilicus or umbilical region can be a horseshoe kidney. Recurrent urinary tract infections are common because the ureters are angulated over the kidney isthmus. They are more prone to for hydronephrosis due to angulation of ureters. Roving sign is also positive. There is hyper extension of the spine. It results into abdominal pain, nausea or vomiting due to stretching of the capsule is also seen. This is how a classical horseshoe kidney looks like. So this is the fusion which occurs at the lower pole. Associated anomalies. इसके साथ में ये कंजेनाइटल एनोमली है हॉर्सशू किडनी, दैट्स वाई इसके साथ में कुछ अदर एनोमलीज भी हमको मिल सकती है, जैसे स्पाइना बाइफिडा, कंजेनाइटल हेमीवर्टिब्रा, टर्नर सिंड्रोम और क्लेफ्ट लिप पैलेट, ये हमको इसके साथ में मिल सकते हैं. देन डायग्नोसिस, अल्ट्रासोनोग्राफी टू लोकेट द किडनी. देन IVU भी इसमें करवा सकते हैं. अपर एंड मिडल कैलिक्स are directed laterally, but lower calyx is directed medially where there is fusion, which is characteristic of horseshoe kidney. CT scan or isotope renogram are confirmatory of the horseshoe kidney. As far as treatment is concerned, we do not need any treatment for uncomplicated cases. Or if there is stone formation, then we have to go for removal of that stone, or repair and reconstruction of hydronephrosis are done in the usual manner. So that's it from the today's presentation. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.